Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, February 21. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
You look a little tired.
I am a little tired.
Do you need a coffee?
Yes, I need a big coffee.
Me too.
Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working now.
That is good news.
I am very busy today.
Why are you busy?
I have many emails.
I understand that.
And I have a meeting at 10.
Is it a sales meeting?
Yes, with a new client.
Good luck with that.
Thank you, Alex.
Do you have time for a break?
Only 5 minutes.
5 minutes is enough.
Did you see the news today?
No, I did not check my phone.
There is a crazy story on CNN.
What is the story about?
It is about technology.
I like technology news.
It is a new headset.
Like virtual reality?
Yes, but for sleeping.
For sleeping?
Yes, it records your dreams.
That sounds strange.
It is called the Dream Stream.
How does it work?
You wear it in bed.
And it sees my dreams?
Yes, it makes a video.
A video of my dreams?
Exactly.
That is very interesting.
But there is a problem.
What is the problem?
It shows advertisements.
Advertisements in my sleep?
Yes, inside your dream.
That is terrible.
The article says it is mandatory.
So I cannot skip the ads?
No, you must watch them.
I do not like that.
Imagine selling products in dreams.
You are a salesperson?
Yes, I love the idea.
You want to sell in dreams?
It is a great opportunity.
It is an invasion of privacy.
But the headset is cheap
Why is it cheap?
because of the ads.
I prefer to sleep in peace.
The article is from February 20.
That is very recent.
Yes, it is a hot topic.
People will be angry.
Maybe, but people like gadgets.
I worry about our brains.
You worry too much, Alex.
Someone must think about it.
True.
Did you read the Washington Post?
No, I did not.
There is news about space.
Is it about Mars?
No, it is about the moon.
What is happening on the moon?
Countries are fighting.
Fighting in space?
Yes, about mining zones.
Mining for gold?
Mining for rare minerals.
That sounds expensive.
It is very expensive.
So who owns the moon?
That is the problem.
Nobody owns the moon.
The article says different.
What does it say?
It talks about a new treaty.
A treaty between countries?
Yes, the Lunar Resource Treaty.
That is a long name.
It divides the moon into zones.
Zones for different countries?
Yes, exactly.
And people are angry?
Yes, smaller countries are angry.
Why are they angry?
They get no zones.
That is not fair.
I agree, it is not fair.
The big countries take everything.
It is about economics.
Space business is big business.
The article was from February 18.
I missed that one.
It is a serious situation.
I want a piece of the moon.
What would you do with it?
I would sell it.
You always think about sales.
That is my job, Alex.
We need rules in space.
But rules are boring.
Rules keep us safe.
Maybe you are right.
I am usually right.
Huh? You were funny today?
I try my best.
Hey, did you see the Boston Globe?
Which section?
The education section.
Know what happened?
It is about schools.
Is it good news?
I think it is great.
Tell me.
The government made a law.
A new law?
Yes, for the year 2027.
That is next year.
Schools will be 4 days a week.
Only 4 days?
Yes, 4 days only.
Is that for everyone?
Yes, it is a federal mandate.
That is a big change.
Kids are very happy.
I am sure they are.
A 3-day weekend is nice.
But what about the parents?
What do you mean?
Parents work 5 days.
Oh, I see.
Who watches the children?
I did not think of that.
It is a problem for families.
The article mentions childcare.
Is childcare free?
No, it is expensive.
See, it is complicated.
But think of the free time.
Free time is good.
Teachers are happy too.
They need a break.
The article is from February 19.
I need to read it.
It says grades are better.
Better grades with less school?
Yes, because they are rested.
That makes sense.
I want a 4-day work week.
Me too, David.
Can we ask the boss?
You can ask him.
Maybe not today.
No, not today.
He is in a bad mood.
Is he?
Yes, very stressed.
Then do not ask.
So 3 big stories this week.
Yes, a busy week.
Dreams with ads.
Fighting on the moon.
And short school weeks.
The world is changing fast.
It is exciting.
and a little scary.
But we have coffee.
Yes, we have coffee.
Is your coffee good?
It is okay.
Just okay?
It is office coffee.
True, it is not great.
But it is hot.
And it wakes me up.
That is the important thing.
Look at the time.
Is it late?
It is almost 9:50.
Oh no.
My meeting starts soon.
You should go.
I need to prepare.
Do you have your presentation?
Yes, it is on my laptop.
Do not forget it.
I never forget things.
You forgot your mug yesterday.
That was one time.
Okay, David.
Are you busy later?
Yes, I have a project review.
Is it the big project?
Yes, the new software launch.
Is it going well?
It is going slowly.
You can do it.
Thanks for the support.
We are a good team.
Yes, we are.
Maybe lunch later?
Maybe at 1.
1 is good for me.
Let's check later.
Okay, send me a message.
I will send an email.
You're so formal.
It is a habit.
Okay, see you then.
Have a good meeting.
Sal?
Goodbye, David.
Bye, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.